Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This one is definitely going to be a quick video. I know I always say that and I end up spieling off for ages, but I just want to, I like to give recognition when you hit little milestones and stuff like that. It's important, and it's important to acknowledge the people that have helped you along the way. So I know it's probably a little bit repetitive, but coming to the end of the month here, I just want to shout out again all the awesome sponsors that helped out this month for January to get me to Summer Nats and just help out in general. A lot of these people sort of come about by a fluke. The whole sticker on the car idea was literally like $1 a sticker, $5 if you wanted me to do a story, and $20 if you wanted me to do a reel, and then everybody chipped in a hell of a lot more and just made the trip to Summer Nats. It ended up paying for basically half the trip to Summer Nats, and then with the breakdown of what basically this month has earned, it's pretty well covered the cost for the month of January, which is a big thing in this game we play. Like last year, I was out of pocket quite substantially, so it is what it is. It's all part of doing what we're doing. So yeah, massive shout out to all the sponsors that come on board for this month of January. I can't thank you enough. Obviously, I've got ongoing sponsors, so I've got a couple that have paid for 6 months, and I've got a yearly sponsor as well, or a couple of yearly sponsors. So super handy, and I can't thank all those guys enough. So yeah, let's talk about the last month. So you guys and all your viewership has made this month unreal. All the Summer Nats footage equated to about 90,000 views, and it looks like I'm going to crack about 120,000 views for the month of January, which is outstanding. So in saying that, that is now my biggest month ever. Viewership, definitely MPK back in the day was higher, but I wasn't monetized at that stage, and obviously MPK, a lot of American viewership, and those guys a lot of them have left the channel because they were after that MPK content. So yeah, 120,000 views. If you watch these videos, I want to hit 3 million views by the end of this year. So I think I'm at 1.75 or something. So I got a lot of work to do, and I'm going to need a lot of viewership. So we got some big things hopefully coming up. So this month, next week, or so tonight, I'm heading out to watch some No Prep at QR. Next week, we've got Canada and Power Cruise, so a couple of events there. Then 2 weeks after that, so I think the 21st is Nitro out at Warwick, and they got a test and tune the night before, so hopefully we'll take the H out for that and cover that event, try and get some PBs, providing we get the H sorted. It's still got a miss, as you guys would have seen if you've watched previous videos. So we'll suss that out. So a lot coming up as per usual, and then the start of March will be round 1 of the Queensland No Prep series at Lakeside. So once again, hopefully H is sorted for that. Very keen for that one. So jump on over and get your entries to that. It's limited entries. There'll be 2 test runs and then 3 rounds of racing. So that'll be awesome, and that's open to registered and unregistered vehicles. So if you've got a tough no prep car, or if you've got a drag car that you want to try some no prep, get in amongst it. It's going to be good fun. What else have we got? So yeah, those few events are coming up. We're actually, me and a mate are working on seeing if we can get over to War in the Woods at the end of May. It's not a definite yet, but that's definitely a bucket list event to go and check out. Still waiting to hear back on some big news on a heap of events, whether that pans out as well. So we'll wait to hear from that. As soon as I know, I'll let you guys know. And then, yeah, we got a big year ahead. Still, like the hopefully I've lined up someone who can do the panel and paint on it. So it's just a matter of waiting to hear back from them on a time frame, and then also like figure out what time frame works for me. Obviously we've got July, we got All Stars Drag and Drive, and then road trip up in Mackay as well. So we'll be doing that back to back again, hopefully. Mitch is going to try and do both in the wagon as well. He's currently doing some upgrades to the wagon. So if you want to jump over to his channel and check that out, follow along. Yeah, he's going to try and pump out a bit more content again. So that should be good. And then we've got road trip in Warwick coming up in, I think that's in March as well. I'll put a picture up here. I'm so forgetful when it comes to what's coming up. But yeah, anyway, just a quick one to say thanks for all the viewership. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I think there's 430 new subs for January so far. You know, I really appreciate it. It makes, I'm gonna do this anyway, but yeah, it makes it just that little bit more of a pat on the back kind of thing, a little bit of recognition for all the work you put in. So I appreciate it, and we'll keep the videos coming, and hopefully we'll see some more PBs with viewership over the coming months. I know last year, so to put it into perspective, I think the viewership was around about the same for last year's Summernats videos. I think it was about 90,000. But the monetary side of things was a little less because people watched these videos a little bit longer this year. So that helps out, obviously. And then, yeah, this month I had a couple other events to do, which helped out. So pretty stoked with that. So that was a solid month last year, and then I think July beat that month fairly substantially, and then we've just beat July by this month. So onwards and upwards. It's a funny game, this YouTube business. So you'll have a really good month, and then you'll have a really quiet month, and you'll be like, oh God, that was rough. Especially, like weather plays a part. Events just not happening sometimes, and sometimes I think people just get over watching certain things. There's plenty going on in our scene, but unfortunately, we're not America. We don't have a population of 330 million, so it can get a little bit monotonous seeing the same cars around, but it is what it is. You always see a few new ones come out, and that's why we try and do a few different events so that you do get the opportunity to see different cars. Not everyone wants to take their car to the drag strip. Not everyone wants to do a no prep. Not everyone wants to go to a track in general. Some people just like to go out for a cruise. So we'll try and cover a few more of those this year, and see how we go. So I kind of want to do, like, bring back a spit run. So like here on the Gold Coast, we've got the spit. They've upgraded a couple of years ago. They upgraded the actual bottom end of it. I'd love to do like a Sunday morning cruise meetup down there. Maybe put on a sausage sizzle. Bring your kids, bring your dog, and just come and go as you please. Have a swim, have a bite to eat, have a chat. So we will look at doing that. I might wait until the cooler month, or I'll give me another couple of months and I'll sort something out with that. Just have to pull the trigger. I'm not a morning person at the best of times. It will mean I need to get down there and set up a little bit. I'll try and involve, a few different car clubs and stuff like that, so we can get a good mix of people down there. And yeah, just you know, I'll probably do a few more pre-meets and cruise type things to like Joe's Diner, or, you know, if there is a big event or heading out to the drags or something like that, do a pre-meet and a cruise like we did at Joe's Diner at the end of last year. That turned out really good. Try and get a few more people out there and involved, and a few more toughies that we get to see. So as I said, guys, just a quick one. Yeah, shout out to all the sponsors, and yeah, love yous all, and let's keep moving forward. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favorite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.